Welcome to our interview preparation series. And today's question is, tell me about a time you failed. A thoughtful answer can demonstrate your resilience and growth mindset. What is the importance of the question? Interviewers ask this question to examine your self-awareness, how you manage setbacks, and whether you can learn and grow from your experiences. Let us understand how to answer this question. First, acknowledge the failure honestly. This shows that you are self-aware and willing to take responsibility for your actions. Next, describe the situation in detail. Explain what happened, what your role was, and why things didn't go as planned. Then, explain what you learned from the experience. Highlight the valuable lessons you gained and how they help you improve. In the last, highlight the positive outcomes that resulted from your learning. Show how you turn a setback into an opportunity for growth. Do's: accept your failure. Be honest. Highlight lessons learned and how it influenced future success. Don'ts: avoid saying I never fail. Avoid blaming others. Let's put it all together with an example. In my previous role, I was responsible for leading a marketing campaign. Unfortunately, I underestimated the time required for some key tasks, which caused us to miss the deadline. I was quite upset, but I quickly took responsibility for my mistake. Immediately, I called a team meeting to analyze what went wrong, the current challenges, and the solution to prevent such issues in the future. We developed a more detailed project timeline and begin conducting regular progress meetings. This incident taught me the importance of planning and proactive communication. As a result, our subsequent campaigns were delivered on time and with great success. And that's it. Remember, acknowledge the failure, describe the situation, explain what you learned, and highlight the positive outcomes. Practicing your response will help you deliver it confidently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your own tips or questions. Thank you.